Have you ever heard that sometimes a person's name can reveal their true calling? It's called an aptronym, when a name suits perfectly with someone's role or character. Like Margaret Court, a famous tennis player. Her last name, Court, is the place where she plays her sport, and her name fits her role as a tennis legend. Or Dr. Russell Brain, a top neurologist, a brain doctor. His name, Brain, is spot on for his job. Even in Arabic, we have something similar concept called ism ala Musamma, which means a name that matches its meaning. Now let's see how this concept appears in the Qur'an and carry deep meanings, showing us the pure word of Allah, untouched by human influence. Examples like these reveal its unique wisdom and understanding. For instance, the Qur'an parallels Hebrew texts in surprising ways, even though Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, only spoke Arabic. For example, the Qur'an often reflects words and phrases found in earlier scriptures, revealing a shared history while providing deeper reasons. For instance, in the Torah, the Israelites are recorded in the Torah, Exodus 24:7, as saying, Na'aseh v'nishma, meaning, we will do and we will listen. They promised obedience to Allah's commands. In Hebrew, and we will do and we will listen. But in the Qur'an, Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, ayah 93, Allah corrects this story, saying, Qalu Sami'na wa Asayna, meaning, they said, we hear and we disobey. While they claimed to listen, their actions revealed disobedience. Now think about this. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had no teacher, he never studied other languages, and he certainly didn't read Hebrew. Yet this similarity in language and meaning is found right in the Qur'an. How is this possible? This is one of the powerful signs that the Qur'an is not the work of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, but a revelation from Allah, connecting it to divine knowledge beyond his own. Then there's the story of Ishaq, Isaac. Did you know Ishaq is a Hebrew name and pronounced as Yitzhak, and it means to laugh? In the Torah, in Genesis 18:12, Sarah laughs in disbelief when she hears the good news that she'll have a child, as she believes she's too old. The Qur'an captures this joyful moment with a rare beauty. In Surah Hud, chapter 11, ayah 71, it says, فَضَحِكَتْ فَبَشَرْنَاهَا بِإِسْحَاقَ وَمِنْ وَرَاءِ إِسْحَاقَ يَعْقُوبَ, meaning, then she laughed, and we gave her good news of Isaac, and after Isaac, Jacob. Isn't it amazing how the name fits the story? Amazingly, the Qur'an uses the Arabic word, dahikat, she laughed, and this specific word appears only once in the entire Qur'an, right here, at the very moment the name Ishaq, meaning to laugh, is introduced. But the beauty of the divine language doesn't end there. The Qur'an also mentions Yaqub, Jacob, saying, and after Isaac, Jacob. This is remarkable, because in Hebrew, the name Yaqub, Yaakov, means the one who follows, or comes after. So, as the Qur'an mentions Ishaq, it immediately follows with Yaqub, in alignment with the meaning of Yaqub as the one who follows. The language and context are divinely aligned in a way that only someone fluent in both Hebrew and Arabic would even notice. This rare alignment of language and meaning is not something a person who only spoke Arabic, like Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, could create. It's a sign of the Qur'an's divine authorship, showing knowledge that only Allah could reveal. The Qur'an doesn't just tell us names, it captures the meaning and feeling of those names in ways only an all-knowing creator could arrange. The Qur'an's language goes beyond words. It unites meanings, histories, and cultures with divine wisdom. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, could not have known these connections, nor the ancient languages. This beauty, found only in the Qur'an, is a timeless reminder of Allah's knowledge and wisdom, a masterpiece beyond human capacity. Language is the art of expressing thoughts, and the Qur'an is its masterpiece. If this video brought you new awareness and knowledge, please give it a like, share it with others who'd be inspired, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps us continue exploring the miraculous language of the Qur'an. Just imagine what other fascinating connections lie within the Qur'an's words. Stay tuned, subscribe, and be part of this journey as we uncover more amazing layers together. This is just the beginning of exploring the wonders of Allah's words. Share the beauty, spread the wisdom,